Hello and welcome to Finding a New Normal. My name is Mike.
And I'm Lisa.
What are we doing today, Lisa?
Today we're going to replace our existing thermostat with the smart thermostat, as well as replace some of our registers with smart registers that will then communicate with the thermostat. The idea behind this is that both our basement apartment and our main floor will stay at comfortable levels for the people that live there, and also we'll save on heating and cooling costs.
Oh, okay. And I'm wiring the thermostat?
We're going to do it together, which is new for us. We usually support the economy and hire these kind of tasks out, but we're going to give it a shot and try it ourselves.
And how hard can it be?
We'll see.
So I'm going to start with this because I'm intrigued. Lisa will start with this. You go start open. Oh, okay.
Okay, so these are smart sensors, and you place these in the room because it's going to sense the heat, and then it can tell the thermostat whether the temperature needs to go up or down.
Okay.
Downstairs and one upstairs.
Next, I'm going to open the smart vent. And this, there you go, I got it.
Good job.
Thank you. Here you go.
You can do that. Maybe. There we
Cooperation.
go.
That's,
pull it out.
okay, we have the smart vent, and we have the mounting hardware, and we have instruction. We have the thermostat here, and we have some other thing here that goes with it. I'm sure underneath it has the instructions.
I think that's another sensor.
And this will light up and show us the temperature and all that stuff.
Works. Another thing, when we've talked to HVAC people about putting one of these in, they've warned us that HVAC systems, you have so many vents and so forth, it's based around the pressure that's in your system. And if you're closing too many vents, it can affect the pressure in the system and can make your furnace wear out faster. But the nice thing about these are these registers have sensors on them, and if they sense too much pressure in the system, then it will open up the vent and let some air bleed out, so the pressure in the system stays where it's supposed to be. So that's another good thing about this.
What did you just say?
I don't know.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and start mounting these, installing these, and we figure we got it because, again...
Did you say sell these?
Start mounting in these and installing these.
Installing these,
yeah.
Okay.
My peach impediment is not serving me well right now. Anyway, we figure again, how hard can it be? This is our old thermostat, and we're going to have to take it out. But before we do, we're going to be safe and turn off the circuit breakers downstairs. So I'm going to go downstairs right now, and hopefully I'll find it.
Oh, that's probably furnace, because see how it has an F right next to it?
Okay, I thought it was the grade I was getting on this video. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And that's how we turn it. Oh, did you hear it turn off?
Yeah, I did. But the thing is we need to make sure that was
the right one.
The right furnace that turned
okay.
on.
So notice this one is turned off, but it's the wrong one. Okay, now we have to go around the house, outside, and down the stairs. And it just snowed yesterday, so this ought to be interesting. I'm wearing flip-flops. Nothing but the best foot gear.
Well, you can change if you want.
I don't wish to.
Okay.
So we want probably master bedroom outlets.
I don't know, it seemed like it would have its own, but...
Master bedroom lights. I'm going to turn them both off.
Okay.
Now we'll go upstairs and see if it worked.
Okay. I wanted to show you this direction manual that came. It's an Ecobee. It's really great. It's just step by step. And we are on step 4, but actually we did that yesterday. We took a picture of the wires connected to the terminals. So we're going to move on from there, but I just wanted to show you this book. I've never really seen a manual that's as clear cut as this. It's really good step by step. Anyway, I'll go back to Mike. There you go. All right, and then...
Pull that down, and then we can see what we have compared with the manual. Okay, it says, do you have a C wire? And we do have a C wire right there. It's the one that says the C right next to it. It's the black one.
Yeah.
Okay, and so it says continue to the next page, which we will do. It says, do you have a G wire?
And so you said we
checkpoint G wires. Here.
And we have
There's a G wire right there. It's
okay.
green. It makes it easy to remember.
Okay.
Y is yellow.
Okay. And I think when I read this manual earlier, it says somewhere, we'll have to look in the box, that it comes with a little tab so that you can label your wires.
Okay,
So we'll
yeah.
look for that in a minute.
Let's go look for that right now.
Well, what's the next thing though?
Next page is label your wires.
Oh.
Okay.
And then
Now we're going to take out the W wire.
okay, so there's a W or W1. Is only one W wire?
It's just W, yeah.
Okay.
It's a W2, but not W1.
Okay, that one's done.
Okay. Now here comes W2. W2 is ready for labeling. That would be neat.
Okay.
Now I'm going to go with the yellow one, which is labeled Y. We see it makes it easy to remember. Y for yellow.
Okay, and you found a trick, right? That makes
Yeah.
it come out easier. What is the trick with this?
I
stuff?
pull it up and I push it back down.
Okay. Okay.
Now G for green.
You're taking out the C one now?
Yep,
Well, that's good to know because our other black is a different color.
right. Okay. Now we're ready to take the whole assembly off. To do that, looks like I pinch it and pull it out. There we go.
Yahoo!
Yoo-hoo! Okay. Now to get these wires out without stripping them. There we go. Like you said, the power to that thermostat.
Well, I knew it
displays.
didn't work because the heat was still on. I could feel the heat coming out of the vent, even
Oh.
when you had them all flipped off.
What are you laughing at, Lisa?
I knew you were laughing, so
Oh, it's on me now.
you taught me.
And I taught you well.
And now it's on. It says, hi there. Now we got to do more technology to figure out how to set it up.
It says, let's get started. And so I'll hold this while you get started. We finished installing the thermostat, and we've set up the registers for this room. Now we're going to assemble the other registers to use downstairs.
The directions say to put this in the floor first and then put the battery, or I'm sorry, put the vent cover, the register cover on top.
But nah.
But we're going to take them downstairs. Actually, well, if we're going to screw any in the ceiling, we might have to do that. So
Yeah,
the ones that we're going to screw into the ceiling,
we'll have to do that.
which is all of these, downstairs in the basement, they all go in the ceiling. So
Oh, that's a bummer.
I'll have to take this off when I get it downstairs. That's in the directions that said when you first put it on. I think we already said this. The lights come on and how satisfying that is because you're going, yay, I did it right. I don't remember seeing these lights come on. Maybe I did it too fast. I'm just going to take it out and make sure. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, plus, minus. And then arrows match up. Oh, the light came. Saw it briefly.
Yay. Notice on these they have a slot at one end that corresponds to this up here, see?
Yeah, I know which way to put them on.
Makes it easy to line it up. Ostensibly.
This is the thermostat. You can see that if I push on the different selections, I can adjust how long I want the fan on, what I want, if I want it heat or cool or heat on. You can set your schedule of the different times you want the heat to come on at different settings, comfort settings, vacation, reminders. And so again, this thermostat is upstairs in our master bedroom, and it controls our master bedroom and the basement apartment. The other pieces that are here, this is a puck. It is Bluetooth wireless. It talks to our thermostat and also to the thermostats downstairs. We installed a few of the smart registers in our bedroom. They look like that, but you'll see them again when we go downstairs. So we just wanted to point out, this is the iPad, and we have this app also on our phones. This controls the vents, the registers, and the thermostat pucks. So you can see there's a square for every room that we are monitoring, and we can make adjustments on that, and we can see data and how things are going. There's a lot to that app that I don't yet understand or know how to use, so we'll be working on that. This puck, so we're in the kitchen right now in the apartment, and you can see the temperature. If it gets too warm, then the registers close and it won't get any more heat. And then this little Bluetooth device sensor talks with our thermostat that's upstairs to keep things running smoothly. And another feature that we found out that I'm not sure we have set up yet, but we will, is that you can set this so that when you are close to home, the furnace will set so that you can have your comfortable settings as soon as you walk in the door and not your away settings. All right, Mike, you want to walk us through what we did?
Okay,
with the registers?
we put a lot of registers in the ceilings here.
Over here we have the master bedroom. I put these two registers up there. And we have one in the baby's room, because it's really small.
Yeah, it's like a 9 by 9 room, and it gets really warm really fast.
So we have the register up there, and we have the puck there, and the sensor next to it.
Right, so that it'll be easier to control the temperature in this room. The baby won't get too hot or too cold. And again, this is our grandbaby that's moving in fairly soon.
With the parents.
With her parents, yeah. Not by herself.
That was the other two that we did. So we did a total of 5 down here.
That's it for this installment of, what are we calling this again?
Finding the new normal.
Finding the new normal.
I think we had a good experience. We were able to do it okay. Had a few little snafus that we ran into, but
My middle name is Snafu.
but we got it done, and it seems to be working. We just need to figure out the app a little bit and how to set how to fine tune some of the settings.
So be sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing, and hit the notification bell so you can see our latest installments. And be sure to check out our daughter's what's it called? Channel.
Their YouTube channel, Homestyle Moms,
Homestyle
and
Moms.
also Instagram channel. Okay.
Sayonara.
All right. Thank you.